My favorite thing about this filter kit is it's got everything you need in one box. It's got the rubber, the silicone, the stainless steel washers, and it comes in this nice plastic case that stays tight and shut and can take it anywhere I want to go. It does have the dome style in a variety of sizes. The mesh stainless steel feels pretty durable, as well as the washers around it have some flex to them, and they do come in the various sizes. So everything from 5/8 inch for a wash machine, 1/2 inch, 3/4 inch pipe fittings, kind of whatever you need for showers versus hoses, faucets, appliances. And then you have all of your various sizes and all of the different materials, as well as the open style, one with the texturized finish and one with flat edge. I do like the 58 pack, has the clear labeling on the front, so you have what you need, but it does have all of the assorted materials. The washers are resist weather, ozone, and they are food grade gaskets, odorless for extreme temperatures, all those good things. Also, like the packaging is the size of my hand, so I can throw it in any bag. Universal sizes, durable materials, easy, ready to go. Hope this helps.